Alright, this is awkward as hell. Let me just start off saying that right away. We all know I'm not alone. But anyway, welcome back, fabulous followers, fabettes, fab kings. I'm about to try something that I have been waiting for a long time, right? We all know it. What is it? What is it? What is it? The blue raspberry pickle.
I mean, it's alright. Like, overrated as in my opinion. I mean,
let's see if it's all the hype and actually better than the regular chamoy pickle. So, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, tell a friend, tell a friend. Come right back. We're going to get into the raspberry.
And you still gotta feel me. A house is a heart. I don't own no realty. Thought I paid my dues, but the game still build me. They took my innocence. No surprise, I played guilty. Used to love to hit the court, now I hate to go. Used to rake leaves for money, now they pushing snow.
Alright, let's get it. I hope everybody's having a good start to their weekend. I'm having an amazing one. Everything is off to a wonderful start. Baby enjoyed her birthday. We're about to enjoy another day. Oh, you got a coupon in here. Imagine that. Girl, watch her be trying to order a new pickle with this. So this will be baby's first time. She hasn't had the chamoy pickle yet. But we're going to do that either today or tomorrow. So we got two options. I'm going to roll them in both. And this one, they give you the fruit by the foot and the fruit roll-up, y'all. So y'all already know I'm greedy. They also give you the blue Takis. Never tried those. So, I don't drink the juice. I don't know anybody who does. You want the juice? Yeah. So just like my other ones. Can you have me some paper towels? Oh. Thank you. And unlike when I did the chamoy pickle and stuffed it in the middle, if any of you guys have seen the blue raspberry pickle, there's some of them where they make it like a boat. So that is what I am about to attempt to do. I definitely don't think we put those in here because they soft. They did have gloves. Oh, this is the other one. The double pickle kit had gloves, but I never. Uh-oh. Look at my first mistake. They uneven. We're going to work it out though. What is everybody doing this weekend? Put it in the comments. What's the temperature in your area? Did you get any snow? We were supposed to get 4 to 6 inches. I think we got about 2. All right. Let's say the middle part like I do with the other ones in case we want it. You see how this one got seeds? I've never seen a pickle with seeds, y'all. Comment below if you have. Alright, that's one side ready for action. Blue seeds. I'm going to need to Google this. Tashana, get in the comments. You going to tell me all about it. Sis not feeling too good today, y'all. Lift her up in prayer. I ain't telling none of her business. She'll tell you if she want to. But just say, know what I said as I said what I said. Take a minute. Pray for my sis. Send her some chamoy pickles to make her feel better. Okay. Come out. Alright. We gutted them. I think I can make, I think I could do catfish the way I just gutted that. What? So, of course, I always start with the chips with the other one. So, that's how I'm starting with this one. Watch, baby gonna try to get the little one, y'all. Actually, need to make that a little deeper.
A few moments later.
So they'll sit in there good. So they'll sit in there good. Later on, we're gonna do one of the HelloFresh dinners. We're gonna do the chicken tonight. And play the game. And what else we supposed to do?
Music.
Listen to music. Oh, Slurricane.
It's good.
Yeah. It's got a little twang to it, but not spice. Sour kickback for you. Not too bad. See? All right.
Ooh.
Y'all hear it back there talking about some. Oh, oh, you know what I didn't do? Because I did it different. So how does this go when you lay it down? Y'all know I'm going to work it out. Y'all know I'm finna finesse it. Because who?
They have to lay it on top.
Because who?
You gonna wrap it?
Watch. Because who went finna unravel the whole foot? Oh, okay. I'm just out here trying to keep my line, y'all. And she been making it hard. I don't know what part of y'all gonna think that was TMI.
Now, I'm really mad.
But take it how you want to. But I be feeling like I'm gonna come out of this weekend. No, because you know what? Unless I put the other stuff in and then wrap it, because it's gonna close it up. You see what I'm saying? Okay. I'm gonna fill it and then I'm gonna wrap it. So now we're going in with these. All the Chamoy pickle kits come with these things. Do you want the little spicy stuff on yours? I use it, sometimes I don't. I'll do it just for you.
Okay.
Squiggly for me. She said this looked like a whole bunch of stuff to be trying to put in a pickle, y'all. That was her response. I'm just being honest. Yes, it is, honey. But it works. Whoever figured this out, I'm thinking they like plants that you roll. And that's how I'm going to say that on YouTube. Because, I mean, you ain't just sitting up sober and thinking to do this. You're not. Gushers. That caused a TMI moment in my head too. But moving on.
Dear God.
Moving on. See, this is where I gotta finesse hers because it's not as deep. It's gonna be even better when I wrap it. Yep. It's gonna serve two purposes. I feel like you short on some squiggly. Alright. Boy, the mess after this be kicking my OCD in order, y'all. One moment. Miss Robin, did you hear me? Miss Robin, are you there? Comment. Alright, we're gonna put two of these and then we're gonna start with the toppings. I ain't never had orange. Whew. This stuff right here, I'm finna get it, y'all. Hold on. One moment. I'm still recording? Okay. I need a permanent assistant. Sure, she doing good for me over there, y'all. To try to remember the first time we tried this on the song. You ain't gonna see her do it, but we finna have her moment. All right, just a little bit, and then put it in your mouth. Get some more.
Do you see me fucking laughing, my nigga?
Get some water. Get some water. Don't be saying my nickname on YouTube. Then have somebody try to call me and get violated. I might have to edit that part. I don't know. What is that?
What's that?
That.
What's that? What's that?
Did I do everything? Yeah. I feel like I missed the step because you was over there cracking me up.
Ooh. Baby.
That's why I clowns on that one. We're gonna have to look at it. Hold on. Yeah, this is what you like, girl.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sweet and sour mango flavored powder.
Oh, so that was mango flavored. I could sit and drink this shit by itself.
Dear God.
And last but not least, about to wrap that baby up. Look, somebody gonna watch this and start doing my way. How about that? I'm gonna go viral with a viral. Y'all do it. Y'all better tag me. Fab did it first. It went from a boat to a coffin. Oh, Lordy. She's so scared too, y'all. She think it's unsafe. She don't really know what she getting herself into. All right. One moment. Let me slow the OCD down. Oh, that's what I was supposed to stick on. Hold on, let me make it work. I got this. They send you 19 products, you gotta use 15. I don't know what she could have me doing with that game, y'all. I might not want this.
No, not the way you just made your face.
Nasty. You gotta try it too. Come on. It ain't nasty, right? But it's like,
What is that?
We ain't using them.
I don't like that. Oh.
Okay. Give me a plate. No, never mind. In case it gets stained, let's use one of these. Y'all know I got 12,000. I threw a lot away though. Y'all would be proud of me. And I'm finna give her the thing. And we finna try them.
Ooh, child.
Okay. Come on, we way. Can you see me?
I can.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Sis. I'm gonna tell you the difference with this blue rabbit. Hold on, sis. Hold on. You know I got stories from that too, sis. Hold on, I got some news for you, sis. Tune in, hold on. Sis. Sis, let me tell you why this, sis, you gonna think I'm saying that. But sis, I'm not finna steer you wrong. This is me and you, sis. This motherfucker better than the chamoy because, and she gonna tell you after I have her try the chamoy. This one, you know how the chamoy gave us that spice and then we had the Chester sweet? This blue raspberry so toned down, that hot spice. Look at me. Tacos in here and everything. It's toned down. It's, oh, sis. You gotta try the blue raspberry, sis. Look, she ain't even had the other one yet. See, look at you. Look at you. Nice. She finna try to get the last bite of mine, y'all. Hold on, let me hurry up.
Yeah. That's good.
She was gonna get the double one, but it wasn't gonna come in time. Y'all know they back ordered, because everybody going crazy about them. She couldn't figure out what all the jazz was about. On a scale of 1 to 10. What?
I'm gonna give you a 10. You got it.
See? She said 10, y'all, not Fab. What the other stuff?
The mango?
Yeah. Girl, she almost done. Babe, you can have my last bite. Because your piece was smaller. Because we still got the chamoy ones for later.
Okay.
I knew she was not. I knew it was not going to be a chance of her not liking them. I had no worry. Now, when you try the chamoy, you're going to see the different. The red one's got more spice kickback. This is just toned down right. Maybe that's why the seeds is in there. It's a different kind of pickle.
It has a kickback, but it's the right combination of sweet with sour with, yeah. It's a shame you gotta get it.
Woo!
Mm-hmm.
Woo!
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I'm finna wrap this around and then I'm gonna split it with you. But then I'm about to clean my kitchen, y'all. I'm not gonna do the cooking on video because we just gonna cook together and make it an intimate moment. But I'll show y'all what it looked like versus what the picture looked like I always do on my other cooking ones. Put this
What
baby.
the hell?
Put this baby right in the blanket. You know how I go when you fucking with Fab.
Oh,
She
that was
sharing her
good.
pickle with Bae. Don't y'all think I'm a sensitive ass nigga?
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Oh, soft ass nigga. 10 out of 10, sis.
Mm-hmm.
10 out of 10.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Hit the notification bell. Like, comment, subscribe. Namaste.
Yo, my boy. I'm in the line, bro. You hit me back, man. What's going on with you, man? Shit, out the way. I feel you. Fuck with me, don't link. Hit me on the book or something. You feel me? First thing first, we can't talk if you make statements. My new boo interview because she thinks she a replacement.